From the lofty peaks of Mansfield to the shores of Lake Champlain comes a mighty swelling chorus whose echo will remain. Vermont, 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 are you never... Hello, I'm Dan Fogel, Professor of English and Chair of the UVM English Department. I would much rather be marching with my colleagues on the green to celebrate your graduation than walking on my treadmill at home in the strange season of COVID-19. Nevertheless, on behalf of all of the dedicated faculty and staff in the Department of English, I want to offer heartfelt congratulations to everybody earning degrees this spring in English and in Film and Television Studies. To those who are graduating with Latin honors, for those who have had the fine achievement of completing theses, for those who have won the various English Department awards listed below on this College of Arts and Sciences commencement site. Explore here by all means, but I also want to invite you to come to the English Department website where we have a more in-depth celebration of our graduates and our prize winners, including readings and performances by students and detailed award citations by my colleagues recognizing our wonderful students. Please visit us at the English Department, and the celebration continues there. Congratulations to every single one of you from all of us at UVM in English and in the College of Arts and Sciences.